Hey, it's Jill from Glimmerbug, and today I just want to share with you a quick shop update. I'm adding some new items into my shop. These are Valentine craft bundles that are, you can make your own Valentine tags. Like these little guys, aren't they adorable? To give out to friends or family, put on a little gift. So each pack comes with decorative papers, sequins, buttons, little embellishments, cute little words and clip art and some papers that you can use to decorate each tag. Each package has 2 tags, but you can use these for whatever. You can make cards or anything you want with them. And all you need is glue or tape, double-sided tape if that's what you would rather use to build your tags, and maybe some scissors. But aren't they cute? Look at these little kittens. Aren't they darling? And they're mystery craft packs, so they I will just send you one or however many you order, and they have plenty of items in there to make these adorable little tags, and they're nice. Some have little, you can put little wire on them to attach them to something. I use the rickrack on this one and the buttons. So yeah, and they're great little gift giving things. So if you visit me on my online shop on glimmerbug.com, or these are also listed in my Etsy shop, and they are each $12 because they are everything is hand cut and hand packed by yours truly. And I hope that you will visit me over there sometime soon and grab yourself some Valentine bundles while you can. Thanks.